Mether brand series, adhering to German technology, the introduction of European and American advanced technology. The ultra-low temperature freezer is the first dual system to ensure multiple safety of customers. The maximum loading especially designed for the storage of biological vials. VIP, vacuum insulation panel, design. Intelligent touchscreen, easy to control. PM series, medical and science refrigeration equipment. Medical deep freezer, minus 86 degree ultra low temperature freezer self-cascade system. Medical deep freezer, minus 86 degree ultra low temperature freezer cascade system. Medical deep freezer, minus 25 degree and minus 40 degree, minus 60 degree deep freezer. Medical refrigerator, 2 to 8 degrees Celsius pharmacy refrigerator. Medical refrigerator, 4 degrees Celsius blood bank refrigerator. 22 degrees Celsius platelet incubator. Cold room, biological vials room, logistic monitor equipment.